Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. Before that, please consider liking and subscribing for more contents like this one. Without further ado, let's get on with it. Alright, so here is the phone itself. I set this aside for now. So let's see what comes in the box. Here is a Lightning to USB-C cable. There is a SIM ejection tool, some documentations, and an Apple sticker. If you may notice, there is no charging brick or earpods that comes with the iPhone. So what you can do is charge it using a 20-watt power adapter, or you can use your existing chargers from your other Apple devices as well. All right, let's start by taking off this film. Let's power up the device. So we can see that this is a very hefty phone with its 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. It also features the ceramic shield, which promises 4 times the drop resistance compared to previous iPhones. Alright, taking a look at the exterior of the phone, we have the power button right here, the 5G millimeter wave antenna on the bottom right hand side. Left side we have the mute switch, volume rocker, and then the SIM tray. Alright, on the back of the Pro Max we have an improved wide angle camera, which has a 40% larger sensor and larger pixels, which dramatically increases the amount of light that is scattered on the wide camera. And it also has the image stabilization for the whole sensor instead of the lens, so your shots are more steady. We also have a 65mm telephoto camera, which allows for tighter shots on portrait. However, this is slightly larger than the iPhone 12 Pro's telephoto lens, which has a length of 55mm. On the right hand side we have an ultra wide camera, and this is the same as the iPhone 12 Pro model. We also have a LiDAR sensor, which is unique to this year's iPhone 12 Pro lineup. And since the iPhone 12 Pro has a stainless steel frame, it attracts way more fingerprints than the regular iPhone 12, which has an aluminum frame. And rocking inside of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the A14 Bionic chip as well. And what Apple did differently this year is that all of the iPhone 12 models in the lineup has the exact same chip. So that means the iPhone mini, the regular iPhone 12, and the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. Alright, let's set up this phone. And there we have it. Alright guys, this concludes this very quick unboxing and setup of the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. If you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing for more content in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.